Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your audio input and output on your Mac. It's pretty easy, just click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then go to System Settings. Now go to Sound, and now here you can find Output and Input, and you can change it by just clicking on different devices. Then it will change the output. You can change the output volume, audio balance, you can mute the output, and you can also go to input to change the input as well. As you can see, it moves as I speak because you can test your microphone here as well. Now I'm speaking and you can see that it shows me the input level. You can change the input volume, and you can change the input device by clicking on the device you want. The highlighted one is the set one for either input or output. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.